Julien here, the French winemaking guy who makes wine videos here on YouTube. Yes, wine videos. We are looking at what is a Demi-Sec champagne or what is a Demi-Sec sparkling wine. What does it mean? Well, you have to know that Demi-Sec is a type of sweetness level. The Demi-Sec is going to be a type of sugar level in your champagne or sparkling wine. So Demi-Sec corresponds to a wine that has between 30 and 50 grams per liter of sugar. So what does it mean? Well, if we compare this to the style that is called Brut, which is a drier style of champagne wine. A Brut is going to have less than 12 grams per liter of sugar, so just tiny amounts of sugar. So a Brut is going to feel dry, crisp and vibrant, but rather dry, just tiny bits, a little bit of sugar, just below 10 grams of sugar, so which is kind of just above your perception level of the sugar. So you're not going to feel the sugars in a Brut style of wine. It's just going to round up and smoothen up your dry champagne wine. As a contrary, a Demi-Sec wine is going to have about 3 times more sugar, so between 30 and 50 grams, so about 3 to 4 times more sugar than your Brut. So in a Demi-Sec champagne or a Demi-Sec sparkling wine, you are definitely going to feel the sugars. It's not going to be overly sweet, it's going to be, let's say, half sweet. So this is what is a Demi-Sec champagne or a Demi-Sec sparkling wine. Rather sweet a style of sparkling wine. I hope this video was useful. If it was, give it a quick thumb up before you go to support my work. And I will see you soon in the wonderful world of wine. Au revoir. Bye-bye.